Hello everyone, good morning. This is day first, considering the night was day zero to the location where I'm staying. Let me just show you around very quick. This is quite cozy one, and you see this video because you want to subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is absolutely free. You can share with your friends, you can give a like, leave a comment, and interact with me and try to grow a little bit my channel again. I have lots of videos, there are lots of content, but I'm going to catch a little bit of sun if I can catch the sun anymore, and I'm going to show you a bit of the garden, how the garden is look like. I have a stick with me here for later, so I'm not editing the videos at the moment, so maybe I will edit in the future. It depends if it's worth it of my time. Look at this. This is really nice. You don't want to see me now. Yeah, so this is the garden, basically. That's a spa. That's dinner over there, and yeah, it's really beautiful. And let's see, my hair, it doesn't stay like the way I want it, but I don't care at this point. So the sun, it was up, but then now, wow, are you ready for this? Look at this. Wow, and some people have a bath there already. Look at that, two brave people. See if they can, I can see them, I don't know. They are in the ocean. Yeah, you see them. So I am going over there. I'm not gonna have a bath now. There are some swimmers there. So yeah, welcome to Bournemouth, basically. Probably still better with my glass on. My glasses, I love these glasses because it's a mirror glasses, but I need to adjust a little bit. I have a little problem with them. So I think it is better. Start to behind me. Oh my god, the breeze in and out. Oh, it's actual Coat Art Gallery Museum over here. So depends on how the weather will look. I am going to visit some things around here. I am going to this is nice. Yeah, so I'm in the process of constructing my hairstyle now. So let's see how things work on this matter. Yeah. Oh, it's good to be back here. I've been here 10 days. I stayed here 10 days 2 years ago, and it was really nice. I booked a hotel for 2 nights only, and then when I realized how sorry, how beautiful it is here. Then I did stay for like 1 week more, 10 days in total. Now after 2 days I come back and I'm gonna stay 10 days, 11 days, 10 nights basically I'm staying. So yeah, who you watch me, you already know I'm a fitness coach and personal trainer by qualification. I do this as a job, part-time when I have my clients, and I'm still looking for clients. It's not easy to get, but it's also motivation to inspire to achieve your dreams and stuff like that. So yeah, whatever it is, watch my channel. It's good motivation. I give you good tips, good advice, good fun, good videos. I do a little bit of everything. So it's a bit chill here. I am going to down there to see. I want to do some little exercise on the bench there, and then I need other things to do. But I'm a bit I'm not happy because on the weather is saying it was going to be sun until about 10 or 11, and it was, but I wake up a bit late, so because I had other things to do. Yeah, last night was the fireworks, so I catch the last fireworks here. So it was nice. It was live on my YouTube. You can still watch. Yeah. Okie dokie. So I don't want to bore you too much. Leave a comment if you like to see more videos like this from the locations, because on my YouTube channel what it is like vlogging, it is singing, it is my everything, my life basically. So it's an amalgam, if I can say like that, of a lot of things, a mix of a lot of things. So yeah, view from here, look at that. Yeehaw! Garden quite nice. Right, it's time to discover what's over there more and to do some exercises. I think the glasses are alright. Okay guys, I feel like I want to go and I don't want to go from here because it's too nice, it's too okay, you know. But in the meantime I need to go there before the weather I don't know how the weather is changeable. So yeah, time is very important, so I need to manage my time because I had some problem with management time, just not. So yeah, the only thing I'm worried now, I'm going over there and I'm gonna put sand on by, and then I come back to the hotel. I need to wash my feet properly, and then yeah, I think it will be okay. I can come back here anytime I want, you know, after that. So yeah. And I think that plants here is like an imitation of a palms kind of thing. That's my vibes. Okay. So here we have a little beautiful. This is for weddings, basically. This is for weddings, and that's the London Eye imitation of Bournemouth. Oh, I mean, I like the birds. The sound of the birds are like, wow, look at that. Just calm, listen in the nature without phone, distracting, without social media. Just, it is amazing. I have a stick actually. I can put my phone on stick and then film like that. Probably that would be a good idea, right? So this is another spot, nice view. They have here this little park for adventure, I guess, or is golf kind of thing. Yeah, look at that. Do you like to come with me the adventure? This is adventure for you. Adventure with Daniel. So, have here with food and stuff. Let's see to the price. Yeah, full English breakfast, £13, like a hotel as well. Have a lot of things here. It's nice. These ones. And pen.